Hey y'all, we're fixing to make us a breakfast. I love my breakfast, but when I'm in a hurry, I want something to stick in my stomach all day. I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking right here. Good breakfast sandwich. Watch. Hey, when you're camping, ain't nothing better than smelling bacon cooking on the Blackstone, baby. Watch this, y'all. We're gonna put it all on here. It's gonna take a few minutes to cook this, so we're gonna start with this. Listen to that, y'all smell it? I'm gonna do 7 because I like one more. Yeah. Ooh, this is smelling good. Look, we'll be right back in a few minutes. When it's time to flip it, I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, y'all, it's about time to flip this bacon, so here we go. Notice I'm putting it toward the front, because I'm fixing to fry some eggs. I like my bacon a little crispy. Everybody likes it different, but y'all watch what we do. We're letting this cooking oil go down here. That's the bacon cooking oil. That's the best kind they make, y'all. We're gonna put our eggs on this thing. Good. I like my eggs on a sandwich cooked all the way. I do like eggs with yolks, but when you're making a sandwich, it gets too messy, so I cook it all the way. Watch, you'll see. Normally I use salt and pepper, but today we're gonna do something a little bit different. A little bit spicier. Look at this here, y'all. Cajun blend. Can't go wrong with that. I love it. Got seasoning on the eggs. Be right back as soon as it's time to flip these eggs. Bacon's about ready. Let's get it off to the side here and put it right there. Look at that. Oh, there's that extra piece right there. We'll set it down right here on the side. Oh, gonna flip these eggs to another side. When I was growing up, we always had egg sandwiches because my grandma had chickens and they'd run around. We'd be running around the yard and we'd find an egg, we'd bring it inside and cook it. And that's how I started making egg sandwiches years ago. Let me show y'all this. I always get this butter. Now see these little crumbs and stuff over here? All these crumbs? Drag that over here with the bacon grease. Smear it around there a little bit. Now this way I like to do it. Look at there. We're gonna rub this back and forth. To and fro, back and forth. Y'all, once you had toast on the Blackstone, you will not, you'll throw your toaster in the garbage. Sell it to the scrap man. Lots of butter, y'all, lots and lots of butter. All right, we're gonna get our bread. Can't waste no butter. Today we're using sourdough bread. You can use whatever you want. This is what I like to do. Put it on there and kind of rub it. See, I'm picking up all that bacon fat and the butter. That's what makes it gooder. All right, y'all, them eggs are done. We're gonna pick them up and stack them over here. Now, I cooked them all the way hard. The reason I've done that, because if I don't, the rest of the day I got yolk on me. That's the reason I do it. All right, think my toast is about ready. Fix and put cheese on it. American cheese, that's the best kind on these sandwiches. Look at that toast, y'all. Ooh, now we gotta move it around a little bit. Get that butter on there. And bacon grease. Butter and bacon grease is where it's at. Okay, we're gonna get the cheese. Okay, y'all, we're gonna kind of layer this. I'm using American cheese because I like it. It's nice and creamy, but you can use whatever you want or whatever you got. That's the way I cook. But this is gonna be super good. All right, we're gonna let that set a minute. And then we're gonna put our sandwich together. Oh boy, the toast is about ready. Let's do this. It's time to eat, y'all. Come on, you get right here. Oh boy, you get right beside it. Don't you touch him. Don't you touch him, y'all be fighting. All right, we're gonna set this here. We're gonna get the rest of the stuff. Yay, 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 that's pretty what. We're gonna cut all these burners off, all of them. Make sure they all right. Got my favorite part. Now most people would use something to grab these eggs with, and I'm gonna do the same. I'm using my fingers. Y'all, I'm guarantee you eat this sandwich, you will be full all day. Look at that. 3 eggs, cheese. Come on, Mr. Bacon, come on over here. We're gonna fix all this up. I like to crisscross it a little bit. Once I get the sandwich like this, y'all watch what I'm gonna do next. Hot sauce. Gotta have it, I love it. I put a little bit on here. Okay, I put a lot on here, what the heck. I think the sky's falling. Chicken Little must be mad. Y'all, and what I like to do, watch this y'all, I'm gonna cover it all up. Got to smush it down a little bit. Then we're gonna wait about 2 minutes. Now that's the hard part. You just gotta let it rest for 2 minutes. Just sit here and watch it. Make sure nobody come gets it though. All right, y'all, we done let it rest a few minutes. I got an idea, hang on. Ha ha, got my pizza cutter right here. Y'all watch this. It's too big to handle. Look at that, y'all come look at this. Is that pretty or what? Yo, this is gonna be good. Look at that, all that cheese, the bacon, the eggs. And the hot sauce. Hot sauce does something to it. Y'all, when I grew up, this is what I had all the time, egg sandwiches. This is a souped up egg sandwich here. And well, I'm through talking about it. Let's eat it. That's good.
Tonight's your